Hola y buenos días. Welcome to la clase de español conmigo, Ruth. Hoy estudiamos describe activities. Ahora, es interesante that really they're not doing a lot of describing activities. They're not saying it's fun or it's boring. That comes later. This time, they're looking at when and where and who with and what and how much. So let's look at those question words. To start with, el vocabulario. How is como. And like I say, they're not using como very much. So, como is how. Where is donde. Donde is a really nice word. And the de in español really goes to the roof of your mouth. So it's donde. Donde. The next word is when, which is cuando. Cuando. Notice all of these question words have an accent on. And that's because they're question words. When they're used in the middle of the sentence to say, for example, I put my books where I put my keys, that's not a question, then it doesn't have an accent. So, donde, when it's a question, has an accent, and when it's not, it does not. Cuando is the same. Quién is who, and if you're asking about an activity, you might say with whom or who with, which is con quién. How much is cuánto? Of course, it's asking about the quantity, so cuánto. Cuánto y con quién. How much and who with. Cuánto y con quién. Y finalmente, qué. What? Qué. So these words are all really important and it's a good idea to memorize them. Ahora, let's use them en contexto to give you a little bit more vocabulary, un poquito más de vocabulario. ¿Dónde lees? Leer means to read, so where do you read is ¿dónde lees? Leo en la biblioteca. Where do you eat? ¿Dónde comes? Como en un restaurante. ¿Cuándo aprenden español? So when do you all learn Spanish? ¿Cuándo aprenden español? We learn Spanish all the time. Aprendemos español todo el tiempo. Ahora, we already had the days of the week. We had lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, y domingo. And if you want to say you do something on a day, then you can say el lunes on Monday or los lunes on Mondays. ¿Cuándo trabajas? Trabajo los lunes, los martes, los jueves y los viernes. No trabajo los fines de semana. Can you guess what that means? Fines de semana, the weekends. No trabajo los fines de semana. ¿Cuándo trabajas tú? ¿Qué means what? So you might be asking, what do you drink? What do you eat? What do you read? ¿Qué comes? Yo no como carne. Como frijoles. ¿Qué bebes? Yo bebo té, yo bebo café, yo bebo vino tinto, yo bebo vino blanco, yo bebo jugo. ¿Qué lees? Yo leo las noticias en mi celular. And cuánto means how much. So if we have the verb salir, which means to go out, it will be how much does she go out? Cuánto sale? It's got those IR verb endings. Cuánto sale? No sale todos los días. Generalmente, generally. Generalmente sale los jueves. She generally goes out on Thursdays. No sale los fines de semana because. Now, here's an important word. Look at this. ¿Por qué? ¿Por qué is because. If you separate those words out, it becomes ¿por qué?, which means why. Now, we're not using why in our questions today because describing our activities, we're not saying why do you eat, we're just saying how you eat and when you eat and how much you eat and who you eat with and what you eat. We're not saying why do you eat. But look at this word, ¿por qué? Why? And ¿por qué? Because. All right, so because, one word, ¿por qué? For what or why, two words. ¿Por qué ella no sale los fines de semana? Why doesn't she go out at the weekends? Ella no sale los fines de semana porque ella trabaja los sábados y los domingos. Now that brings us on to el verbo de hoy, which is salir. It is an IR verb, so you would expect those IR verb endings, but it is irregular. And just like tener, tengo, venir, vengo, it has a G in the first person. Let's have a look at it. Yo salgo. Tú sales. Él sale. Nosotros salimos. Vosotros salís. Ellos salen. Now this word means to go out or to leave. So you could say, el tren sale ahora. The train is leaving now. So let's use a couple of the questions that crop up in Duolingo as springboards for us to say un poquito más en español. We could use ¿Cuándo sales de trabajo? When do you come out of work? ¿Cuándo sales del trabajo? When do you leave work? Yo salgo de trabajo a las 3:30, at 3:30. Los niños salen a las 3. The children leave at 3. Y yo salgo a las 3:30. I think that it's a good idea to keep a journal in Spanish. And today our journal questions are all about describing an activity that we all do, which is eating. So if we use our questions that we've been studying today to describe activities, we can say, ¿Dónde comes? Yo como en mi cocina. ¿Cuándo comes? Yo como a las 7, yo como a la 1 y yo como a las 6. ¿Qué comes? Yo no como carne. Yo como verduras. Yo como ensalada y pan y frijoles. I like my food. Me encanta mi comida. ¿Cuánto comes? How much do you eat? Yo como, no sé, I don't know. Creo que, I think that. Creo que como mucho. Creo que yo como un poquito demasiado. That word is great. Demasiado means too much. Un poquito means a little bit too much. Yo creo que como un poquito demasiado. ¿Y con quién comes? Yo generalmente como sola, pero A veces como con mi hija. ¿Y tú? ¿Qué comes? ¿Y con quién? ¿Y cuánto? ¿Y dónde? ¿Y cuándo? Tell me in the comments y nos vemos para la próxima clase muy pronto. Adiós.